that's a good, that's a good big hard knuckle there to chew on. I don't know how clean my hands are, so I guess it doesn't matter.
Oh, they're clean enough.
Well, that's why I said it doesn't matter. I used to think about that. You know, the next thing you know, they've got to get it in the floor. And
Maxwell, do you love your Nana? Do you love her? You do. So she tastes good.
mm-hmm. That's probably right. He said, I don't know who this crazy lady is.
Do the peekaboo again, make him laugh.
But I guess I like her. What, did you do?
Mhm.
Max. Max. He doesn't want anything except this knuckle. Ooh, that's a big one too, isn't it? And it's really good and hard. Feels good on the gums.
Are you eating your Nana's knuckles? I see him. He's gnawing on them.
Oh, that's my one. That's a big. That's a nice big one. An old age one. Yeah, well, look at it.
An old age.
Well, look at it. Here, get in there. Ooh, that's a big one there. That's a big one. Ooh, we'll just run back and forth and everything. Look at it.
I see him. He's going to town on it.
Uh-huh.
Was that a good knuckle? It was?
Oh, I can't leave it.
Okay.
Oh, God. Straight.
That was cute.